Why you want to block Rishika?
I want to block Sridharan, sir. The flirt.
Okay. Okay, number one. Which of the quantities is scalar quantity? Answer is C because speed is actually a scalar quantity. Whereby
It has magnitude.
weight is a vector. Impulsive force. Anything with force is a vector. Weight also is a type of force. Gravitational acceleration. Anything with acceleration also is a vector. Number two. Diagram 2 shows data analysis of a scientific investigation. So we found out that time squared plotted against length, and then you find it is a straight line. So what formula is this? Surutisha? Surutisha?
A period of oscillation.
Yeah, period of oscillation of a pendulum. Great. Good job. Smart girl. What is the formula, Soumya? Surutisha? T equals to?
One
Square root.
okay.
2 pi over? Hello?
I don't remember.
Don't remember. Anybody else? Guys, you all want to try? Durga, are you there? I think Durga went to cut banana leaf. Okay. So answer is 2 pi square root L over G. This is the formula for period of oscillation of a pendulum. Right there. This is formula for period of oscillation of a pendulum. So T is the time taken for a pendulum to swing back and forth. And then L is the length of the pendulum. G is gravitational acceleration. Now the question is, so I have a pendulum here and I'm going to swing it. I'm going to lift it up to around 2 centimeter and I'm going to swing this and I'm going to calculate the time, and I find that for it to swing back and forth it takes around 10 seconds. Maybe not 10 seconds, so exaggeration. Let's say it takes 1.5 seconds. Now I'm going to repeat the same experiment. This one earlier, this pendulum was, let's say, 1 kg. Now I'm going to repeat this experiment with 2 kg. How long will it take for the pendulum to oscillate? Soumya, you want to try?
1 second.
Wrong. What's it, Ruben? Sorry?
1 second.
Wrong, mate. 2 kg is more heavier, right? It's how many seconds? Wait, I give you 1 minute. 2.5, Amma.
Don't know, I think.
3 saat.
2 or something like that. 2.5, I think.
Okay, not 2.5.
3 saat.
3 saat, no, ma. The answer is very easy. You all actually know the answer.
4 saat.
How would you know 4 saat?
Orang.
Wait, I give you 1 minute. Think about it. Don't answer first. Think for 1 minute. Okay, what's the answer, people?
Sir,
Yeah, ma.
soalan tu tadi,
0.
kalau dia ayun, dia lengkap satu ayunan ke?
Yeah, betul. Yeah, ma. Betul.
Yang 1.5 saat tu means bila dia lengkap satu ayunan.
Yeah, ma. Betul.
3 saat dah tu.
For a 1 kg pendulum, it takes 1.5 seconds. For a 2 kg pendulum, try to imagine it. Huh?
3 second also.
2 second? What's 2 second?
3, sir. 3.
No. So, Sutisha, this is IGCSE basic.
0.5, sir.
1.5, sir.
Yeah, answer is still the same, 1.5. Because nowhere in the formula you see m for mass. Any changes in mass will not affect the time taken for the period of oscillation. If I see t equals to m means then m, when you change m mass, then there'll be a change. Here the only thing that changes is the length of the pendulum, which is L. So the time masa tu akan hanya berubah. The time will only change if you change the length of the string. Changing the mass will not change the oscillation, the time taken. Please write that down, guys. You understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Make sense, sir, Dishika?
Yeah, sir.
So if I say the length, the first one is 2 cm, length of the second one is 4 cm, will there be a change?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, because the length is in the formula. Whatever is not in the formula, if you change it, there won't be any changes. L is the length of the pendulum, Sridharan, and G is gravity. Next question. So this is the formula. So
Okay,
t squared equals to L. Some people ask you how they get the square. The square root goes there, becomes what?
Square root, sir.
Yeah, my
Sir, the G is gravity or gram, sir.
gravity, man. How can be a gram in a formula?
And then the pile, sir.
Will there be
Pile,
a
sir.
gram in a formula?
Oh, sir, I'm just asking, sir.
Formula irukuma gram. Tell me. What do you think?
No, sir.
Yeah, correct. You answered the question. So the 2 pi go there becomes, here is times go there become divide equals to square root L over G. Yeah, the formula is there, Sridharan. The square go there, square root go there becomes square. So you get t squared over 4 pi squared equals to L over G. So from here we can conclude that t squared directly proportional to L. Okay, why we don't consider G and 4 pi? Because 4 pi is a constant, G is a constant. You cannot increase and decrease G. That's why the only thing that changes here is the period with the length of the pendulum. Listen now. Now the question. Which of the following are correct variables for the investigation? So the one which is being manipulated is which one? The length of the pendulum. So the time of oscillation is 10. What is constant? The mass of the pendulum. So answer is D. Anybody don't understand? Why the answer has to be D? Why can it be B? Hey, Ruben? Hey, Ruben?
Wait, sir. Period of oscillation. Not
Please
sure.
don't
Sir.
postpone the answer.
Oscillation. I think they stated that 10 oscillations, sir.
Yeah, the experiment itself is always 10 oscillation.
Yeah.
No, the experiment itself is for 10 oscillation. Because if we take for 1 oscillation, it won't be accurate. Because the thing will be swinging very fast. So when you calculate the oscillation, you take 10 oscillation. At the end of the 10th, you check how much time is it. Because it's going to be for each oscillation, your timer your speed of your thumb won't be accurate.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Mike. Next one, number 3. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Try it. If not, then we discuss the answer. All the questions.
Okay, sir.
Durga, are you there, ma? Miss Durganov?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Try, ma. Questions.
Hmm.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. So 3.5 gram per centimeter cube, you change it to kg meter cube. So first of all, you break up the formula, which is 3.5 gram over 1 centimeter cube. That's why they put negative. Negative means divide. And then you slowly break it up more. 3.5 gram divided by 1. How you get 1 centimeter cube is 1 cm times 1 cm times 1 cm. And now you change all of it to SI unit. So 3.5 gram, you want to change it to kg, you have to divide by 1000. And then 1 centimeter change to meter, you have to divide by 100. So at the bottom one, you'll get 10 to the power negative 6, correct? So the first one, this one, you'll get 3.5 times 10 to power negative 3. Then divide by this one. 1 divided by 10 to power negative 6. 10 to power 6. Correct?
So isn't it 10 to the power negative 6?
No, ma, it's still at the bottom one. Now bring it up. So if I bring it up, it will become 10 to the power negative 6. So minus 3 minus 6. So it will become 10 to the power 3, right? So answer is B. How do we got B? We all didn't get B, that means physics, you better all drop lah. Yeah. Because it's an easy mathematical calculation. It means you don't have to use calculator. Next one. Anybody got problem?